Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cloth color of an image in PixelLab. So remind you, this tricks doesn't work with white dress or white cloth. It only works, aside from white color, it works with any different color. So without further ado, let's get started. I already have my image here. Yeah, this is the image that we are going to change the color of the dress. So we are going to make a duplicate of this image over here. So we're going to hide the first one, then we select the other one, yeah, like this. So we head over to eraser tool. So we are going to brush off the image, not the dress. We are going to brush off the image. Example like this, we are going to brush off the image like this. Okay, so we're going to brush it like this. Okay, so if we've cleared our image and it's left with the header, so we are going to unhide the image over here so that it fits perfectly like that. So we're going to we head over to color filter and we are going to reduce the saturation like that, and we select the first one. Then we head over to color filter again. We change the hue, we move the slider of the hue like that, and you can see the colors are changing. You can see the colors are changing like that. So this is how you change it. The dress of an image, change the color of the dress of an image, or the dress of an image, cloth color of an image in PixelLab. So you can move the slider left to right to your preferred color that you want. So this is how it is done. Subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.